So here it is, the moment we all been waiting for. What's good? It's your boy Dre, also known as Mr. Po Folk Everything, and today I'm back with another one. Today is probably the most exciting one to date. Yes, and as you can tell by the title of this video, you already know what's up. Yes, it's official. It's going down. We going turbo. Yes, Lord. We are going turbo. We gonna go ahead and boost the thing. See, I wasn't gonna do it. I wasn't gonna do it. All I wanted was a little bit more power, put some AC in it, and just cruise. But we gonna go ahead and do it anyway. Now, I'm not gonna bore you with an unboxing video, nor am I going to bore you with going over the parts that the kit comes with, because with a quick search of a GT45 Turbo, whether you go on Google or you type it in on eBay, it'll tell you everything you need to know about the Turbo. But I will give you a quick backstory on how I obtained this beauty. So, for the longest time, I went back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth on whether I should turbo the Monty or not. Well, I guess my old lady got tired of me not being able to make up my mind. So guess what? She made up my mind for me. Yes, the turbo for the Monte Carlo was a gift. I guess she said she couldn't have people running up on me at the light thinking they was gonna leave me in their smoke. So I guess she said all they was gonna see was the Monte tail lights. So as you know, 6/20/21 was Father's Day. But for me, it was a double whammy because not only was it Father's Day, but it was also your boy's birthday. So as a birthday gift, my old lady got me the turbo. Now, it's kind of funny because she knows absolutely nothing about cars, nor does she even like an old school car, and she definitely don't care for the Monte Carlo. So with that being said, it's only right that we put it to good use. So in the words of my man Swaps, Whistle Gang. Shout out to the whole Whistle Gang movement.